Okay, Mutraj, you can start now.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yeah, it's audible. You
Okay,
can
sir.
proceed, Mutraj.
Yes, sir, I will start, sir. So, good afternoon, everyone. A warm welcome to everyone, Dr. Venkateshan, sir, Ms. Soumya, ma'am, and my dear friends. Today, I'm going to discuss about my internship seminar on embedded IoT under the guidance of Dr. Venkateshan, sir, who is associated professor and a PhD holder in RRIT. So, coming to my internship, I have completed my internship in a nano robotic embedded technology under the guidance of Ms. Karim, Madam. And coming to my weekly task, an introduction of my company and my contents. My contents is like company profile, introduction of IoT, applications of IoT, embedded system, communications, trash can monitoring system in smart cities, which was my project, which we have done in the last third week, and finally the conclusion. So coming to the company profile, Nano Robotics Embedded Technology is a Bangalore-based nano robotic embedded technology and a embedded system service based company that offers wide range of software and embedded system products, services, and the solutions to the IoT, home automation, customized solutions, and for the embedded marketing places. And it works on the embedded products utilizing latest technologies. And coming to my weekly task, my first week was about we learned about IoT introduction, connection, and the applications. And second week was about the communications, types of communications, and the programs on LED blink, switches, and LCD display. And coming to my third week, we were assigned to do a project, like we worked on a project, small home automation project, that is trash can monitoring system in the smart cities. And finally, my fourth week was for report submission and the final seminar presentation. So coming to the introduction of IoT, IoT is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, and it has the ability to transfer data over a wide network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. IoT refers to the ever-growing network of physical objects that features IP address for internet connectivity and the communication that occurs between these objects and the other internet ability devices. So this was just the introduction about the IoT. So coming to the applications of IoT. So IoT has a wide range of application. Some are as listed below in smart homes, smart cities, smart farming. So coming to the smart homes, smart home is inarguably the most popular IoT application that allows the user to access the home appliances like lighting or heating it, heating like AC. AC we will be using. Example, I can give that, and like lightning, by detection of body motion, it will lights will turn on and turn off using the sensor, motion sensor. Using motion sensor, the light will be inside the house will be getting on and getting off, and for the security purpose remotely. And coming to the smart cities solutions using IoT include smart parking, wastage, and the water management, smart street lights and lighting, and smart surveillances. And coming to the smart farming, the farmers will be able to reduce the waste of water or a fertilizer and enhance productivity. This system will allow monitoring the crop field with the help of sensor. So this will helps to reduce the wastage of fertilizer or water, and helps the betterment growth of the crops. And finally, IoT is used in healthcare with the help of smart devices. They can collect and transfer data, example BP or sugar level detection or ECG scanning, etc. So this was about IoT. And coming to the embedded system. An embedded system is a dedicated computer system designed for one or two specific functions. The system is embedded as a part of computer device system that includes hardware such as electrical and mechanical components. The embedded system is unlikely the general purpose computer, which is engineered to manage a wide range of processing tasks. It also includes RAM and ROM and a controller like microprocessor and microcontrollers. And it is embedded system is used for the special computing devices like computer system, which has a complex programs and all. So it is used in that kind of field. So coming to the communication part, communication, it is an art of giving or receiving a data, or it can be between a short or a long distance. Coming to the extension of communication, there are two types of communications: wired communications and wireless communication. Wired communication. Wired communication is nothing but transfer of data over a wire-based communication technology. Like example, telephone networks, cable televisions, etc. So coming to the wireless communication, wireless communication otherwise is also known as the over the air. This transfer the information between two or more points that are not connected by electrical conductors. Example, satellites, microwaves, and radio broadcasting, etc. So we worked on a project hygienic condition in the city, which leads to a deadly diseases and a human illness. In today's world, the trash can placed in the cities are jam packed due increase in the waste. To avoid these, we have designed a we have designed smart trash can monitoring system where it can overcome coming to the introduction of the project smart trash can monitoring system. A smart trash can monitoring system get this information. It is access to the internet. In recent years, there is a rapid growth in population, which leads to more wastage disposal. And so, in order to avoid this, a proper waste management should be maintained necessarily. So, this is the block diagram of trash can monitoring system. It has a trash can sensor. Trash can sensor is nothing but well sensor will just detect whether the if the trash can is completely filled. The lever sensor will detect that the can it will be placed at the top of the trash can. So when the waste will be filled in the trash can, when it will reaches the top of the trash can, it will detect that level sensor we have used. So one more sensor you can use, weight sensor. If the weight a particular trash can will be set for a particular weight. So if the trash can is getting a weight of that fixed and programmed weight, so it will give nearby or required authorities. So both you can use, or if you are using just for the indication purpose, you can use IR sensor, as it will show the blinking the light when the trash level sensor for the trash can sensors. And coming to the working of the trash can monitoring system, the project model is divided into two parts: sensor sections and node MCU Wi-Fi and module ESP8266 sections. Sensors detect the level in the trash can, whether it is full or empty. The sensor senses the waste in the trash can and sends the signal or a data to the Arduino. Information of the trash can at the receiver side through internet. In this project, the ultrasound Wi-Fi module ESP8266. If the distance is classification to the concerned user or the authorities. So it's basically nothing but when you are pouring a wastage in a trash can, after it is completely filled, it will be connected to an internet via Wi-Fi or a cloud or cookie. The notification will be sent to cloud, and through Wi-Fi and cloud, that notification will be given to a person who will be having that particular IP address in his mobile or in his electronic system. So once he gets the notification, he must go and collect that trash can, like empty that trash can, and by collecting that waste, and should maintain hygienic and should clear that waste from the trash can. So coming to the advantages by using this project, like smart trash can monitoring system, the city will be clean and hygienic, and the surrounding will be clean, and the people will be not face any health issues by these particular waste or unhygienic thing. So final conclusion is, our work is a small, but it is not, but is an effect step towards cleanliness, and belief is that this project would encourage people to do efficient work on associated topics. This is a new solution and is developed to enhance the waste management monitoring system. So this was all about my internship. Any doubt? Sir? Madam?
Putraj, over.
Sir? Yeah, sir.
Okay. So I have only
And
one question.
Yes, sir.
So during this pandemic situation,
Yes, sir.
how IoT, which is used in medical industry?
Sir, IoT, like medical industry, to when a person is in the operation theater, like I have referred it IEEE paper. Based on that, I'm going to answer that. So a concerned doctor must be should treat that particular person, but he will be away from that hospital. So if that kind of situation, you can using IoT, you can give some information or some treatment way to that particular person, to his nurse or doctor who are working under him, so that they can treat him in the way and could save him.
Very good. So during this pandemic situations or COVID-19, where wireless healthcare monitoring is possible, That only
Yes,
you're
sir.
telling, right? Wireless healthcare
Yes,
monitoring.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
One person could not go to all the places at the same
Okay.
time, no, sir. So,
We can monitor the health of that is the
yes,
patient health
yes,
wirelessly.
sir.
Okay. Madam?
And the Arduino which I use was Arduino Uno,
Mm-hmm.
which is a microcontroller 80 mega 328, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. No need to go for hospital and for consulting the doctors. Okay.
It is so
Soumya,
busy
madam?
that ma'am,
Soumya, madam?
ma'am,
No questions, sir.
No questions.
Uh-huh.
Okay, madam. Okay. Muthraj, thank you.
okay, sir. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Then,
Mutraj.
Thank you, ma'am.
okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sandeep Kumar Chaudhary, proceed.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, one and all. Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay, thank you, Muthraj.
Sandeep.
Sandeep Kumar
Yes.
Chaudhary.
Yes, sir. Hello. Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, it's audible.
Audible, proceed.
Good morning. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Sandeep Chaudhary. Today, I am going to give presentation on my internship program. My internal internship guide is Dr. Venkatesh C. Venkatesan, sir. And, today, I'll be explaining detail about the work and I have performed during my internship period. And, this is the content of my presentation. The first is about company guides in internship, job profile, and the weekly task which I have performed. And coming to the company, I completed my internship in Unique Technology. Unique Technology is an internship-oriented company which provides excellent training in various domains that allow you to have hands-on knowledge to place in any organization. The company is focusing on consulting enterprises solution, internet application, IT service, system software, networking, and telecom and software testing. And the Unique Technology is located in Madiwala, Bangalore. Next, my internship guide was C. Virmuth. Coming to the job profile, I worked as designing various electrical circuit and panel layout using software called Electrical CAD.
Sandeep Kumar
The
Chaudhary, you
domain
are
of my
presenting through your laptop or mobile phone?
mobile phone, sir.
Mobile phone. Okay. You proceed.
Okay, sir. The domain of my internship is electrical AutoCAD. And coming to the weekly task performed during internship period, in the first day, I was asked to draw electrical circuit like winding of motor, transmission line, and small power station. As far as much I know, and in the first week, they thought about the introduction of electrical AutoCAD and the various commands which are used in AutoCAD and the coordinate system. There is two types of coordinate system: the absolute coordinate system and relative coordinate system. We learned about various basic settings which is required for drawing new project, like advanced draft setting and modification tools like cutting, erase, move, extend, etc. And in the second week, we learned about layer management. Layer management is like it is used when the circuit is very complex. It is used in home plans like foundation, floor making, floor plan, door, electrical circuits. I did layer management for star delta starter. The command for layer management is layer, and the next is hatching and annotation. Hatching is a shading technique that used to shade tone or texture. I draw a KitKat fuse assembly and did hatching on that, and I did practice on different types of hatching and dimensioning of 3-pin plug and other circuit. I learned about application of block and attribute. Block is like an object with a name geometry. It is like a base. It has a base point which can be created, stored, and retrieved any number of times as required with associated attribute data. And the attribute is like a label or tag that attaches data to a block. The attdef command used for storing data in block. And coming to the third week, we learned about symbol builder and circuit builder. Symbol builder command is used to define new AutoCAD electrical components, terminal and panel layout. Library symbol, we can convert symbol or create custom component. The command used for a symbol builder is SM builder, and circuit builder is used to build a sampling mode of motor control circuit and power feed circuit. This include three-phase, single-phase, and one-line circuit representation. And we learn to insert or create one electrical connector. The electrical connector wire tool help more easily create and work with point-to-point style wiring schematics. Insert connector command is used to generate a connector symbol from user-defined parameter. And we also learn about 3D drawing. And the basic short circuit key used in 3D drawings are like sweep, revolve, subtract, intersect. And coming to the fourth week, we'll learn about panel layout. Panel layout is like it is a tool which is used to create intelligent machine and panel layout drawings. We also learn how to insert footprints and edit the footprints which are available. The icon menu command is used for inserting footprints, and the panel assembly command is used to insert double blocked panel footprint assembly. And to edit or modify any panel footprints, edit footprint command is used. And at the last, I was given a project to draw control panel for wastewater treatment. This is the panel layout for wastewater treatment control panel. And it has a 3-phase, R phase, Y phase, and as you can see in the top. Here, this control panel is used to control and maintain an electricity supply system that can divide an electrical power feed into subsidiary circuit and each circuit in a common enclosure. And this is how it's look like and the procedure for drawing this panel is we have to create a new drawing file, and there is large number of templates available in the AutoCAD, which we can use. After that, we have to insert a panel print and we have to edit it, and we have to complete the panel drawings, and at last we can save it. And thank you. This was, sir.
Okay, Sandeep Kumar Chaudhary, what are the basic commands that you have used in AutoCAD?
Basic command, sir.
Or tell any
Basic
3
command line
commands
erase,
that you have used in electrical AutoCAD.
erase, line, polyline. These are, sir.
Commands.
There are different types, like erasing tools are there, and drawing tools are like. So in erasing we can have erase tool, cut, extend it, and in modification like drawing tools like line, circle, array, and in modification we can have extend, chamfer, and fillet, like that.
And also you have mentioned in your PPT, you have used some of the commands in 3D drawing, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
you have used some commands in AutoCAD, electrical AutoCAD, and some of the commands that you have used in 3D drawing.
Yes, sir.
That 3D, no, that is not small d, that is capital D. You don't know that?
No,
Huh? 3-dimensional.
no, sir.
Huh?
3D is 3D. Capital
3D is
sir.
only 3 and small d. Is it correct?
No.
Is it
Capital
correct? That 3D, what you have mentioned in your presentation, right? That 3D is correct. And you tell
Yes, sir.
any 2
Capital
comments from 3D drawing that you have used.
in 3D we have used, sir.
You tell any 2 basic comments that you have used while drawing 3D diagram.
Like a sweep, sir. Union, revolve, intersect. So 2 command like a union, sir. Union, sweep, revolve. These are command used in 3D, sir.
I'm asking only the commands.
Actually, we didn't go in.
Okay. Soumya madam?
Sweep command, sir.
Okay, Sandeep Kumar Chaudhary, leave it. Soumya madam.
Sandeep, in 6th semester you have studied AutoCAD, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Compared to that, what are the new things you have studied actually? Just you summarize it.
New things like, ma'am, panel
It was
layout
not there
you
in
studied.
your 6th semester.
Same.
The 3D
No,
and all,
6th
it's
semester we
not
have
there.
only
Machine.
winding. Yes, sir. In 6th semester we only learned about substation and transmission line, winding.
3D it was not there for machines.
And also it's advanced electrical AutoCAD. Like
So here you have learnt 3D drawing mainly in your internship.
Yes,
Oh,
yes, ma'am.
fine.
Fine. Okay. Thank you, one and all. See, please.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Madam, that's all, madam?
Ha, sir. Ha, sir,
Okay.
that's it.
Okay. So you please listen. You please send that is PowerPoint presentation to my mail ID. All you know my mail ID, right?
Yes, sir.
You please forward your presentation, that is PPT, to my mail ID.
In
Okay.
PDF form, sir.
Okay, sir.
PDF form ಅಲ್ಲ sir.
ಏನಪ್ಪ?
Hello.
What you have
PDF form
presented
ಅಲ್ಲ
now,
ಇಲ್ಲ
right?
slides ಹಂಗೆ. sir.
Sandeep Kumar Chaudhary, close it.
PPT.
Sir.
You close it.
Sir,
Screen sharing, exit.
how to exit?
Stop sharing. Stop sharing.
Close it, man.
अरे
Each
Zoom
man
खोलो ना,
has
Zoom
a
खोलो.
different option.
That
Zoom खोल.
क्या कर रहे हैं? Zoom खोलना है.
Okay. Thank you one and all for presenting your internship. Okay, internship work where the presentation was very nice. And you please mail your presentation to my mail ID. Already, or otherwise, I will send my mail ID to now. My mail ID now. You note down. You note down my mail ID. You please mail your PPTs to this mail ID.
Sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So did you receive my mail ID? Everyone
Yes, sir.
received, I think, my
Yes, sir.
mail
Yes,
ID.
sir.
So you please mail me. Okay. So thank you one and all for presenting
Yes, sir.
your work
Okay, sir.
where your presentation was very good. Okay. So thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir.
Where also you have to
Thank you, sir.
prepare the report. Also you have to prepare the report and you mail your report also. Meanwhile, you have to mail your report also.
Yes, sir.
We should
First,
give report.
you send me this presentation. Then after that, you mail your report.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very
Yes, sir.
much. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Thank
you, sir.
Madam, thank you, madam. Soumya, madam.
Thank you.
Can I disconnect now?
Actually, you all present.
Okay, all present actually. All present today.
You did. I can say.
Thank you so
All.
much.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Kaushik.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kaushik.
Netra.
Mukraj. Chandana.
Bye, everyone.
Sir. Thank you,
Netra.
sir.
Abhishek.
Bye, sir.
Arvind. Akshay, Shavant. Soumya, madam. Thank you one and all.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
We'll disconnect now.
Bye, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
bye. Bye.
Okay,
Bye.
sir.
Sir.
Okay,
Bye, sir. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye,
Thank you.
sir.
Bye,
Bye,
bye.
ma'am.